Builders!
This game is more fun with 2 players. Find a friend or a sibling and play together. We love solving problems, big or small.
Can you help us build towers to solve problems around the classroom?
Let's go!
Player 1 and Player 2, choose a hamster.
If you're playing by yourself, you can be both players.
When you're both done, tap the check mark.
Player 1, you are.
Mateo!
Player 2, you are.
Tasha!
Let's play.
Tap around the classroom to find a problem to solve. Shake a desk challenge. Reach the stars challenge.
Rain challenge.
Wind challenge.
Create your own tower. Level 1. This desk is the perfect spot to build, but Custodian Rolf is coming with his shaky cards.
Can you build a stable tower that won't fall off the desk when it shakes?
First, we'll build and test our tower, and then we'll redesign. Do you want to play together or against each other? Together! Team up and take turns building one tower together. Tap the check mark to start.
Each player gets 2 turns. Player 1, you go first.
You can add up to 4 blocks. Tap or drag a block, then drop it to build. Tap
Brick.
You can add 3 more blocks this turn.
Cinder block. Game die.
Player 2, it's your turn to add blocks to your team's tower. You have 2 turns. You can add up to 4 blocks. Now add your own blocks to the tower you're building together. Tap or drag a block, then drop it to build. Tap
Wood.
You can add 3 more blocks this turn.
Brick. Cinder block. Soap. Player 1, it's your last turn. Wood.
Player 2, it's your last turn.